Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Thursday, December the 3rd. The time is around 4 a.m. GMT. So today we'll be looking at the chart of copper. This is a 60 minutes chart here. Now we can see copper has been very strong in the past. It's been weeks that this metal continues to be extremely strong, and over here we can see in the rally is an impulse. We have ended with 2 in the minute degree here at $3.11. So that means we are now in the wave 3, which also ended here, right around 3.5. You can see subdivision is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right in the minuet degree here in the blue degree. Then the minute degree wave 4 also ended here at the 100% extension in 3 swing. So now it has bounced higher. It has bounced higher from the blue box, and then starting the next leg higher. Now at this point, since we already seen the reaction higher from the blue box, at this point it needs to prove itself by breaking above 3 in black, right? It looks like it might, because it looks like we do even shorter cycle cut a high sequence here. So I think it still needs to prove itself by breaking above 3 in black to confirm that this is really a 4 in black. Now if you mention the retracement here, retracement of the wave 3, it does not hit the 23.6% retracement. Now in a very strong trend, sometimes it can fail to reach even 23.6 and then starts to go higher again. Now copper has been very strong, so I wouldn't rule out that possibility. We just do a limited pullback and continue to go up. But in case copper is doing another leg lower though, then it is going to be doing a double correction, and then if that's the case, it can hit around this area 23.6, 38.2 before finding buyers again in case it does a double correction. So unless we break above 3 in black, at this point it can do double, but if it breaks above 3 in black, then obviously that will confirm the 4 is complete. Now moving to the larger degree, I did explain about this before in the past, in the old video, that copper is breaking a multi sort of decade consolidation. Right, we got a breakdown here, which is a false break during that COVID-19 sell-off. Since then we bottom and then starts to go back into the triangle, and then now breaking higher. Now this, look at the year. This is 2003 and this is 2011. That's why it's very powerful break, because it's like almost like if you start from the 2003, so that means it's it's almost 20 years, right? 17 years to be exact. We are going to 2021, so 18 years of consolidation, right? And that's why you see the breakout is very powerful now. Now you can see clearly this is an impulse here. I think there's no question on that. Now if you take a look at the lower degree, so this in itself is telling you it is bullish, right? It is a breakout on the upside. So now take a look at the daily. Now we got a couple of things to look at here. Sometimes when you have such a very powerful rally, it can be hard to know which cycle are we and what's the target. Are you going to be participating when it's going to be at the top and things like that. Now I point down here 3 important dates or 3 important lows that I believe is the connector, right? So from March all the way to here, this looks to be one cycle, right? Because it breaks below this trend line. So this looks to be a correction of this. Now that correction is finished, because then we have already make a new high above that previous high. So this is going to be an important date, October 2nd, and this looks like a connector. And then from here we rally again, and this one also looks like another connector. This is a connector starting from October 2nd. So then you can see from here we got a very extended move, almost like a parabolic rally here. So if you measure the extension over here, This definitely has the look of an impulse, right? There's no question on that. It has the look of an impulse. Now if you measure the extension here, now we have already reached the 100%, right? The 100% extension, but it looks very impulsive, and I think the overall rally looking impulsive. So there's a potential that this is actually a 1, 2, and this is a 3. And if it is a 3, then we can go all the way to 1.618 at least, which is 3.6, right? Regardless, even if the wave 3 doesn't reach 3.6, it looks to me it can see at least, at minimum, even if we do a bigger pullback, like at minimum one more push higher is definitely possible, is a possibility, right? So that's why the rally here is nowhere near close, I think, to finish. And and so even within the cycle here, what looks like a wave 3, it can continue to extend still. So again, in the shorter cycle, then it's simple. Pullback should continue to find support in the sequence of 3, 7, 11 swing, and you got your first 3 swing, equal leg, bouncing, finding buyers, and that should be sufficient enough, and can start going higher again. But if it does fail to take out the high and do another leg lower, then in 7 swing there should be another buyers for the next push to the upside. All right, so that's the idea in copper here. As always, if you do want to get a regular update and analysis, you can try our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.